And as long as the fan is on, it sucks the cardboard off. But if I turn the fan off, then the cardboard will fall down. I think maybe it's take the thing off.
What does a mom do when she wants things done right? She does it herself.
Welcome to Season 2 of DIY Mom. Today on DIY Mom, get ready for an unbelievable bathroom transformation. The name of the game is Maximize, and today I'm going to make this bathroom feel so much larger without touching the footprint. The bathroom in this apartment desperately needs to be remodeled. It's cramped and damp and rotting, so I'm ripping out the lavender tub and switching it for a custom walk-in shower. We only have 50 inches to work with, so a tub is always going to feel tight between these walls. But a walk-in shower with a bench and a nook, that's going to feel luxurious. It wasn't until we ripped out the tub and the toilet that we realized the subfloor underneath the linoleum was completely rotten. So I called in the experts to lay down a new subfloor that would be super solid for tiling. When you're tiling, it's crucial to have a strong foundation to lay the tile on, because if your boards flex or bend in the slightest, your tile will crack. And what's the point of doing all that labor-intensive, hard work tiling if it's not going to last? So we installed 2 layers of subfloor that was screwed down every 4 inches. My hope is that by tiling this space, it will be easy to maintain and clean and will look fresh for many years to come. With the shower almost finished, I'm blown away by how much bigger the bathroom looks. It's just so much better than that old tub. It was difficult to find a glass shower door that would fit this custom space. I knew what I wanted. I had it in my mind, and I was starting to get nervous that I would have to order a custom piece of glass, and then that would push my closing date back yet again. But moments before I was about to give up, I found a double soft closing shower system from Max on the Home Hardware website. It's adjustable and works with my measurements, so that was a huge relief. The installation went smoothly, and now I have a beautiful, clean finish for my fabulous tile shower.